Hi folks, Bill Harris from Insight Analytical Solutions here. We're going to talk to you a little bit today about systems integration that we do, and in this case specifically some systems integration around the JP3 VRX near-infrared analyzers. We build a lot of these packages for Canada and Northern Canada, so package it all in a nice big stainless steel enclosure, heaters, make it suitable for our ambient environments. We can put this out at a gas plant or crude oil blending skid or right on a pipeline. Let's talk about what's inside this cabinet. We have flow coming in right down at the bottom side of the cabinet. Of course, we've got to keep this whole thing warm. This is for Canada, so we did build this for a minus 45 degrees C environment, explosion-proof heater, and temperature controller to keep the inside of the cabinet at around 45 degrees C typically, if we're doing something like a condensate application. The fluid that comes in goes past the flow switch. This sends a signal back to the analyzer, let us know we're actually getting flow through the system. Because some of the systems have a lot of particulate in it, we also run a fast bypass loop around the flow cell. So you see this loop and it tees off right below where the branch goes up to the flow cell. So now let's talk about what's in the upper parts of this cabinet. The flow that's coming in goes up through the infrared cell that's right here. There's a little heating jacket over top of that as well. We want to keep it warmer than the rest of the cabinet. We want to make sure that things like waxes and things like that don't precipitate out in the flow measurement. So this allows us to do that measurement at an elevated temperature that's controlled, and it makes sure that we don't get precipitate on it. Fiber optics come in on either side of this, shoot a beam of light across it. So that's what we're using to do the measurement. From that near-infrared spectrum, we can figure everything out about the hydrocarbons, chemical composition, physical properties. The flow that goes through there goes up to the return path. On the way, it passes a temperature transmitter, pressure transmitter, and this unique feature up here is something that we include, which we call a flow interrupt pump. And it allows us to stop the flow when we want to do a measurement. It gives us a much cleaner spectrum to work with. So we package this whole system up, customized for every client. Some clients will want relief valves in there, some clients will want relief valves on the outside of the package, different temperature transmitters, different pressure transmitters. But we put the whole package together to make an integrated solution. Inside the cabinet is Class 1 Div 1. Everything in there is Class 1 Div 1, Class 1 Zone 1. Outside the cabinet, electrical control boxes for power and for analogs and discretes. Also a solenoid valve for controlling that flow interrupt valve. All this part on the outside, Class 1 Div 2, Class 1 Zone 2. Everything's CSA certified. CRMs to 1,500 pounds. Put this in any processing environment, customized to your needs. Contact us if you want more information.